Hi, I'm Gareth, Product Manager at Field Controls. In this video, we'll be walking through the unboxing and setup of your Trio Pro. Once you've removed the product from your box, please read and understand the user manual and warning labels. Once you've got that, you can begin to set up. To begin, you'll have to remove the packaging from all the filters. To do this, you'll access the side panels on both sides and remove the side panels by pulling away from the unit. You can set the side panel aside. Next, you'll remove the pre-filter screen by pressing the two tabs and pulling it towards you. Then you'll have your Trio Pro HEPA and carbon filter. You can remove that filter. And then you can remove your Trio Pro Cell catalyst. Behind the filters, you'll access the two UVC lights on each side. Remove the padding from each lamp that was in there for protection, and then place your Pro Cell catalyst back in the unit. Place your Pro Cell catalyst back into the unit with the beams facing inwards and the tab facing outwards. Take your HEPA and carbon filter and place it in the unit with the tab facing outwards. Next, take your pre-filter screen, locating the two tabs on the bottom, and place them in the unit. Swing up and click in the two tabs and make sure that the sides are secure. Once you have the pre-filter screen in, you can take the side panel, locating the two tabs on the bottom with the two slots on the unit, align, and press in. You'll do the same on the other side of your Trio Pro unit, located here. Once you've removed all the packaging and placed the side panels back on, you can plug the unit in the back of the unit, take your plug, insert it into the base. The Trio Pro features multiple operating modes with an auto, sleep, manual, and turbo mode, as well as 4 fan speeds in addition to turbo. On the unit, you'll see a filter indicator and a lamp indicator, as well as a child lock. On the remote itself, you'll have the ability to turn it to auto mode, sleep mode, turn the UV on or off, turn the lights on or off on the front, turn on the child lock, set the timer, which is a 1 through 24 hours in 1 hour increments, as well as the turbo and sleep mode. On the unit, there is a UVC light indicator and allowing you to turn the lights on or off, as well as an indicator reminding you when to replace the lights, as well as a filter indicator reminding you when to clean the pre-filter as well as replace the filter lamps. At the back of the unit, there is a particle and VOC sensor, as well as a color-coded indicator letting you know the quality of the air in your space. It'll alternate between particle, PM2.5, and total VOCs, or volatile organic compounds. Blue indicates healthy air, green is okay, yellow is poor, and orange and red is unhealthy. The filter and lamp indicators will light up when it's time to replace the filter and lamps. The filters last for 6 months, but the indicator will alert you when it's time to clean the pre-filter at 3 months, and then at 6 months again to replace the filters. The lamp indicator will light up at 1 year, reminding you to replace all 4 lamps. We highly encourage you to keep to your maintenance schedule in replacing the filters and lamps to maintain optimal performance of your Trio Pro unit, as well as delivering clean air. Once you've set the unit up, we recommend placing it away from the walls to allow adequate airflow into the sides of the unit, as well as not blocking the top of the unit where the clean air is coming out and being delivered to your space. Thank you again for purchasing your Trio Pro unit from Field Controls. If you have any other questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to our customer service team.